Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually go ahead and track Remitly's transaction in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, what we're gonna do, we're simply gonna go ahead, open up our Remitly app in our mobile phone. We're gonna go ahead, open it up, make sure you have installed and you're logged in with the correct account where you have done all of the transaction or added it added it with some scheduled time for you to check on to know the tracking. So for that matter, once you have opened up your Remitly account, you can actually find all of your transaction details over here in this home page. If you tap on this get started, this will basically give you, when you add the new recipient, you can simply you can simply go ahead, add a new recipient and do the transaction, send money to them. Oh god, how does it take to load? You can simply go ahead, add in the amount, do the transaction according to your need. Once you have done that, you will have all of your transactions over here if you have scheduled some as well. Then you can tap on this any particular transaction that you would like to track, and you can tap on this detailed option that we will be finding over there. That will show you all of the details regarding the transaction, when, where, and what is happening of the process of it as well. That way you will be able to see it clearly over there. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.